Hey guys, so I just want to talk a little bit about voting and volting. Another way that they harvest our energy is through the voting station. And this is laid out like that. And this is schematics on an electrical board, so between the two, it's very similar. So that they're when you go to a polling station, which is electrical, you put in your vote, but it's not a vote, it's a volt. You're volting for a positive or a negative, right? A positive or a negative, you're volting, and the one that gets the most volts gets put into power into DC. Here's the White House battery. So it's electrical. Voting station, schematics for electricity. And then you have these pyramids with these electrical masts, and those were all over Earth. The pyramids. They're very interested in those because the schematics for free energy is in the stars. So that's why these establishments have telescopes that can read the stars. They hoax us with these constellations so that we connect the dots differently. It's to hide free energy. And, you go to a polling station, you put your volt into, a black box, and when you fold these differently, you get these two shapes. You get the cube and the cross. Another thing they do is, these two, a courtroom and a church, both have pews, they both have a Bible. They both have someone up here in a robe judging and preaching and casting spells. Words are spells. That's why they're called spellings. They keep us in the days of the week. Just like on the calendar, the days of the week. The days of the week. If we're kept in a daze, we're weak. So we live in the days of the week. Same thing goes with how they want us to eat, We go to the grocery store, we buy food for the week, the week. Let's eat food for the strength. Do magic to yourself or something else will for you. They get these are all the same. These evangelists and scientists, they're all telling us what to think. You know, you go to a courtroom and it's all electrical. It's, you have charges brought against you. And, then you're put in a cell, which is electrical. A cellular phone. These are cells. Until you're discharged. But yeah, you know, these pyramids were all over Earth, and, you know, they know that, and that's what these represent. The pyramids that were all over Earth, powering everything, free energy. Yeah. They're still using it today in the jets. These turbines are free energy engines. But yeah, dudes, we can overstand this, and you know, not give up our volts. You know, they're harvesting our energy. They tell us in the movies, you know, this is a movie about harvesting fear and using it for energy. That's what they're doing. Alright, cool.